Alrighty, everybody, this is our daily agenda for Monday, May 3rd. Welcome, everybody. So, just so you know, for today we are starting up with Typing Club, and then today we're moving on to a new unit called SEL, and we're focusing on Inside Out. So, what is SEL? SEL, or Social and Emotional Learning, it's on a textbook definition, it's the knowledge, attitudes, and skill to understand and manage positive goals. So it's showing empathy, having relationships with your mom, your friends, your cousins, your siblings, and managing your emotions. So it has 5 core competencies. So all of these things make up social and emotional learning. It's really just learning self-awareness of you, so how to manage yourself, how to be aware of other people, so socially aware, relationship skills, so like I mentioned earlier with your mom, your cousins, your siblings, your friends, and responsible decision making. So these are what we are going to be learning for the next couple of weeks. We're going to be focusing on in order for you guys to kind of get a little bit more about what SEL is. You guys are going to be doing a fun SEL and Inside Out activity. In your notebooks, you're going to be watching the following clips from the film Inside Out. You're going to answer the questions that are attached to your notebooks. So let me show you what your notebooks look like. I know it's a little out of frame, but you will receive this little notebook, and it will have clips from the movie, and all you have to do are answer the questions after you have finished reading or watching the clips, rather. If for any reason your clips do not load in, no worries, ladies and gentlemen. Right under this week's information, let me put that right here, actually. Okay. So under this, you will actually receive all the directions for today and all of the clips for what you guys will be doing. And if you're wondering, well, how does this clip fit to what question? I left all the questions that it will answer there. So no worries, ladies and gentlemen. All you have to do is go to here. If your internet's not working, all you need to do is, well, okay, first day plan. That's going to help me answer questions 1 and 2. So if the video is not loading in, but you do have the questions, you can watch the videos and then go and try and answer those 2 questions, okay? So that's how you guys will do that. And then the questions are, what emotions do you feel most often? Have you ever gone through a big transition like Riley? Can you name a core memory? What does that memory stick out to you? What emotions do you associate with that memory? Why did the core memory change when sadness touched it? What personality islands do you have? Riley feels pressure to be happy or joyful and hides her true feelings from her parents. Have you ever felt pressure to act happy when you aren't? And then 8, Joy realized the importance of sadness. Why do you feel that other emotions are important? What emotions do you feel are easy to express? Are some emotions bad? What are some ways to cope with sadness, anger, fear, or disgust? And then lastly, when Riley gets angry at the dinner table, did that help her situation? How could she express her emotions to her parents in a more helpful way? So that's all we'll be doing for the next 2 days, really, ladies and gentlemen. So I just wanted to let you know. As always, if you have questions or need more information or just curious about anything, please let me know and I will be able to get back to you. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.